So I just pulled the section of backtrack out, and you can kind of see what's going on. That one, they didn't put long enough legs on here, and two, there's no concrete. It's just mud underneath there. Then you can see there's no concrete all around it. So it was destined to fail. So what I'll do is I'll probably cut that leg off the back, cut that one off the front, and then weld some 2-foot pieces on there, and then dig those holes out, and I'll just leave that one here in the middle, and I'll put concrete in that. So that just came right out, so that's not a good sign. That tells you no concrete in there, or very, very bad concrete, but it's no concrete most likely. Now I'll dig the holes here, and I'll leave that little track repair on there. I don't know, I might cut it off. We'll see. The other track underneath it's still good, but it's got quite a few welds on there. So let's go ahead and do the fun stuff and dig this up, and then we'll see what we come up with, what I decide to do here. Most likely, I don't know, 50-50, I'm leaving that piece there and just cutting it off here so I can get a piece, the sleeve on top of it, and leave that there. It's not going to hurt anything. May even be worth it just to rebuild this whole thing.